It's so heavy. How can we open it? We open. Open. Surprise! Hey! So cool! Let's open them, Cuquin. Choose one. No, all of them. Not all, Cuquin. Just one by one. Number 2, the pink egg. The green egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A spider.
Itsy bitsy spider, he never had to talk. All he had to do was pin his web up. He worked, 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 and when the time was right, the itsy bitsy spider, he cries, he cries, he cries. The itsy bitsy spider, the sun is on his side.
Yay! Mama! Number 3, the orange egg. Oh!
Fun Playtime World app is entertaining and perfect for any place, even during trips or in offline areas. Download it on the App Store.
Ha! Ha! Whoa! Oh! Oops! It fell. Orange! Whoa! Oh! Ha! Ha! Huh? Orange Play-Doh. Oh.
ball? No, orange egg. Huh?
Ha! Oh. Huh?
Oh?
Big orange egg!
Big orange pony! So pretty.
Orange pony! Yay! Ah, purple! Huh? Oh!
Like this, Cuquin.
Pink egg.
Pink Play-Doh. Huh?
Big pink egg. Big pink pony.
It's very big.
Pink pony. Oh, blue. Huh?
Blue Play-Doh.
Blue egg.
Ha!
Big blue egg. Big blue pony.
Hi, Pony.
Ha! Wee!
Yay!
Purple. Oh?
No Play-Doh? Huh.
Purple Play-Doh. Huh? Purple egg. Big purple egg.
A purple ponycorn?
Purple ponycorn.
Ponies are my friends.
Orange pony. Pink pony. Blue pony. Purple ponycorn.